We are just 2 weeks to the end of the year. That means we will have some special program. So between now and Christmas Day, we are going to share with you 2 songs.
We lay our crowns at the Savior's feet, gold for the King whose reign is sweet, frankincense for the prayers you. Unto us a child is born, a King of kings, Lord of lords.
And the other thing we are planning to do is also to share 1 or 2 selected teaching also on Maranatha Teaching Channel and Podcast. From the 4th of January 2025, we will start a new mini-series titled The Weapons of Our Warfare. Our current Genesis series will be resuming back to Maranatha Teaching Channel and Podcast in the second quarter of 2025 by the grace of God. Thank you for your support. God bless you. Shalom.